This, my friends, is Hot Rod Red from Zyltech. More specifically, this is Nikko Industries Hot Rod Red. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is Nikko Industries Hot Rod Red Filament that you can find over on Zyltech. It is like a vibrant red. It's not like an ultra bright red. I've printed with their red PLA before, and that's much more, actually, hold on. This is Nikkos, this is the standard PLA, red PLA, and you'll notice that, actually, maybe you won't. It's a little hard to see on the video here, but this is like a really bright red. This is more of a vibrant, it's almost like of a shimmery, shiny red. It's a very cool looking color. In order to test this out, I'm going to be printing one of Nikko's files off his website, the I Am Iron Man statue, which is a really cool statue that you can find over on his site. If you're interested in that, I'll have links down below to that as well. And hopefully this finishes printing before I need to leave for the airport in the morning. There is about 50% left of this print to go, so fingers crossed, or maybe I'll snap my fingers and it'll be done. I don't know. Let's check it out.
2 weeks later.
Well, unfortunately, I wasn't able to finish that print before I left for vacation. Well, technically, it did finish before I left, but I didn't have enough time to record anything because I was literally running out the door to head to the airport. But I'm back now from vacation, and I've had time to clean this up and get it off the print bed, and it looks ridiculously nice in Nikko's Hot Rod Red Filament. Might help if I like lift it up and show it to the camera here as well. So I really haven't done much of anything other than removing the sports. I haven't sanded or filed anything like that. I just want to get this assembled to show you guys. Everything more or less just, I mean, slides right there together. I'm not going to be able to hold these in place without actually holding them with my hands, but it's so freaking cool. I'm just going to apply a little bit of glue so I can show this to you guys and get a little bit of a better effect for this. So the best part of this video being later than I intended it to be is that I actually had more time now to actually do a much larger print, and that is this amazing new Stormtrooper helmet. This is the Sith, I believe it was the Sith Trooper helmet? Can't remember what it's called. But it turned out ridiculously nice. I printed this over on the CR10 S4. This was, again, in Nikko's Hot Rod Red PLA. It's a silk PLA, so it's nice and smooth. This stuff prints so easily. There really wasn't a whole lot of stringing on the inside. I also did not use any supports on the inside other than around the brim and on a few areas around the helmet that I knew were going to have some big overhangs. One thing that I definitely did not do is put supports over the brim here. That was Nikko's suggestion. He actually did that in one of his posts as well as videos. I had to try it, and it worked for the most part pretty nicely. I'm definitely gonna have to do some cleanup here, but it probably saved me a good chunk of time by not having to print that, and I wasn't gonna have all the support marks here on different areas where it would have been connecting up with the helmet. This thing turned out really dang nice. I still don't know if I'm actually gonna paint this, smooth it out and paint it. I probably should. I really have never finished an actual Star Wars helmet, and I've been dying to print a Trooper helmet, and this one just looks ridiculously cool. Details on this are really nice. I probably could have gotten away with no supports on the back of this helmet as well. I put a whole bunch here. One other thing to note is that I scaled this helmet. I believe I scaled it down to 97% the size of the original file, and to do that, I could have used the cosplay calipers that I've done a video of, and if you haven't seen that, and I'll have links to the files down below, you can get a link here somewhere to see that video. But I actually ended up using the 3D scan of my head that I used for my iPhone to actually measure this out, and it fits really nicely. It's like a perfect fit. There's still going to be enough room for a little bit of padding, but overall it fits really nicely. It's not too large, it's not too small, and again, I'll have just enough room for a little bit of foam padding on the inside. I probably should actually finish this, but man, it just looks so nice as it is right here. If you're interested in this Stormtrooper helmet file or the Tony Stark finger snapping good file here, I'll have links over to Nikko Industries website where you can download those and check those out. I'll also obviously have links down below to Zyltech and Nikko's beautiful hot rod red filament. Congrats, Nikko, man. This stuff is friggin' awesome. And by the way, I just got in a big order of additional Nikko hot rod red, as well as some of my own Uncle Jessy gunmetal gray. I just want to say thanks again for watching, you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. It's gonna be really fun painting this. I mean, I definitely think I'm gonna end up finishing this one. It just came out so nice. There's gonna be just a minimal amount of sanding that I end up having to do with this, and then it's just a matter of painting it up and making it look nice and getting a nice little visor installed here.